This is the book of Mark, chapter 13 and verse 7. And when ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars, be ye not troubled, for such things must need be, but the end shall not be yet. Mark 13 and verse 8. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and there shall be famines and troubles. These are the beginning of sorrows. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises, glory, and honor to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem Kakadash. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashwan Kadash, the Holy Tongue. And shalom to the elders for preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And shalom to the Aqua sisters as well too. And I say shalom. And this is a news article from amp.cnn.com by Haley Brisky from CNN, published 6:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as of Monday, November 6, 2023, and it reads, 8 more attacks on U.S. forces in Iraq and Syria as Iranian-backed militias ramp up their attacks. It says American troops were attacked in the additional 8 times since Friday, which was 3 days ago, because today is Monday. Friday morning by one-way attack drones and rocket barrage in Iraq and Syria as U.S. forces face ramp-up attacks by Iranian-backed military groups. The new incidents one on Friday afternoon, one on Saturday, and 5 more on Sunday, and adding one more on Monday morning. And it says marks a total of at least 38 attacks on U.S. and coalition forces in those two nations since October the 17th, just days after the start of a bloody war between Israel and Hamas. CNN reported that Iran is seeking to capitalize on the backlash to U.S. support for Israel, while Tehran may not be explicitly directing group attacks. It does appear to be encouraging them, while the increase in attacks started after the brutal attacks by Hamas on October the 7th. Hamas on Israel on October the 7th. Pentagon officials has declined to draw a direct correlation between the increase in attacks and the conflict in Gaza, saying instead that Iran has long sought to force the U.S. from the region. It says Iran's strategic objective for a very long time, way before October 2nd, was to force U.S. forces to withdraw from the region. And the senior defense official said on October 30th, we have maintained tens of thousands of U.S. forces across the region for decades. We have increased our air defense posture. Most of these attacks have been unsuccessful, but Iran's strategic objective has not changed. Dozens of attacks have largely focused in on U.S. and coalition forces in al-Bashar Air Base, Iraq, and al-Tinf Garrison, Syria, and some attacks near mission support sites Green Village in Syria, Bashar, Iraq, mission support sites Euphrates, Syria, Erbil Air Base, Iraq, Shaddai, Syria, Ramlian Land Zone, Syria, and Tal Baidar, Syria. On Friday afternoon, a one-way attack drone was shot down in Sadaidia, Syria, with no casualties or infrastructure damage report. A U.S. official updated Monday. On Saturday's morning, a one-way attack drone was shot down near Sadaidia with no casualties or infrastructure damage report. The attacks increased frequently on Sunday. Total 5 separate incidents in a one-way attack. Drones were shot down near Tal Baghdad, Syria, and al-Tinf Garrison, Syria, and 3 times near al-Assad Air Base, Iraq. One attack on Al-Shabaab also included after a multi-rocket attack along with multiple one-way attack drones. Another one-way attack drone was shot down near Tal Baydar, Syria on Monday morning. None of these attacks over the weekend results in casualties or damage to infrastructure according to the U.S. official. Most of these attacks were successfully disrupted by our military. The U.S. officials said most failed to reach their targets thanks to a robust defense. While recent attacks haven't appeared to be result any injuries to U.S. forces, attacks before the U.S. responded on October 26 have resulted in more than 40 minor injuries so far, including 20 diagnosed traumatic brain injuries (TBI). The Pentagon said Monday that the number of U.S. troops who have reported injuries due to the increasing frequent attacks have grown. More than 20 additional people have reported minor injuries. Pentagon spokesperson Bridget General Pat Ryder says Pentagon last said on October 25th that 21 military personnel has reported minor injuries. Five more service members at the 10 Antif garrison in Syria have been diagnosed with a traumatic brain injury, and another 10 people were diagnosed with other minor injuries. While Ryder said can include sharp headaches, brief fractures, eardrums, tendinitis, rolled ankles, etc. In Iraq, 10 people have been diagnosed with minor injuries, 9 at Al-Hashad Air Base and 1 at Erbil Air Base. It's the book of Mark, chapter 13, verse 9. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be earthquakes in diverse places, and famines and pestilence. And these are the beginning of sorrows. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying of this recent news article, as it says again, from ampcnn.com, published by Haley Brisky of CNN, published 6:36 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, November 6, 2023, and it reads again. 8 more attacks on U.S. forces in Iraq and Syria as Iran-backed militias ramp up their attacks. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem HaKadosh. And the Heavenly Father's true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, in the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo-Hebrew, the Lashon Kodesh, the Holy Tongue. And Shalom to the elders, Wa'akim, Wa'akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.